your stale homemade sourdough bread go to waste. You've spent time and effort and ingredients creating this wonderful loaf full of flavour. Instead of sending it to food waste if your loaf goes stale, make these delicious golden crunchy croutons instead. Around 20 million slices of bread are sent to food waste in the UK every day. Your homemade sourdough loaf, with its long fermentation, has developed that delicious, tangy, acidic flavour, and that will translate into wonderful, crunchy croutons. So instead of sending to landfill, save your stale sourdough and create these gourmet ingredients instead. Let's get started on this simple 10-minute recipe to create those wonderful croutons. Firstly, preheat your oven to 190 degrees centigrade or 375 Fahrenheit. Then slice up your loaf into 1 to 2 centimetre cubes. You want to get lots of surface area for all that extra crispiness in your croutons, but not such small pieces that they dry up and burn in the oven. As a base, drizzle olive oil over your sliced up bread and then sprinkle with some salt. That might be all you need to create some delicious crunchy croutons. You could also use some flavoured salts, garlic powder, chilli flakes and dried herbs or spices as well on your bread cubes. It's great, you can choose whatever flavours you like to go on your cubes of bread to make those croutons. Once you've added in all your olive oil, salt and other flavours, then mix this thoroughly so that the bread cubes are coated on all sides. Then it's into the preheated oven for 10 to 12 minutes until these are golden and crunchy. Halfway through, give them a little shake so that they're golden and crispy on all sides. Keep an eye on your croutons so they're not burning in the oven. They should be delicious and golden brown. And there you have, in 10 minutes, some delicious golden brown crunchy croutons ready to be used in a soup or salad, a really wonderful addition to a lunchtime meal. And you get that wonderful crunch, perfect for using. So let your croutons cool completely if you're not eating them straight away, and you can store them in an airtight container like this for about a week if they last that long. Don't forget, you can sign up for more home bread making tips, recipes and more in my newsletter via the link in the description below this video. Let me know what you'll be adding these wonderful croutons to if you've saved some stale sourdough bread at home, and what flavours you'll be using when you make them too. I love to hear from you if you make a recipe from the Epsom Bakehouse. And if you've enjoyed this recipe today, then do remember to like and subscribe to the channel for lots more bread making recipes and tips that you can make to bake delicious fresh bread at home.